Basant Kumar Goyal. I am the Executive Director for Mentor Home Loans India Limited. I am an engineer. We started this company in 1995 with the aim to cater the lower and middle class people. We as Mentor, we feel that these people are also eligible to have to improve their standard of living. But due to the lack of knowledge and lack of confidence, they could not get these particular credit limits to improve the standard of living. And we are catering to this particular segment. The same way NBFCs and HFCs, the lending solutions, until and unless a company really goes into digitization, they cannot really think of a higher growth and a quicker growth. Today's population, today's environment is really requiring a higher growth and a faster processing speeds. Without digitalization and linking all the offices throughout, it's really impossible to have a physical movement of files and to sanction and disburse at a faster rate. We have many branches which are stationed at rural branches, far off distances. You may see we are working at 500-600 kilometers. So initially just processing a file from there, dispatching the files was very difficult. But now with the digitalization of the company's softwares, these files are very quickly accessible and the decisions are made very fast. Initially the turnaround time of a file at rural belt was 15 days, but now we have reduced it to 7 to 8 days for the disbursements. Cloud is the future technology which every NBFC or a growing company has to have. On cloud-based, you are really accessible to that same data anywhere with your passwords. As Mentor, when we are opening new branches, we don't have to think of the infrastructure which we require. We just require a system, computer system and a printer, and we can start it on a cloud-based system anywhere. Mobile is playing a very superb role in our business. Right from customer acquisition to the servicing of the customers, we are really on mobile apps right now. Initially, what we used to do was physical movement of all the KYCs and the loan requirements. When the sourcing of the file was done, it used to take a long time before it really came to the back end, back operations to really process the file. But now with the mobile apps, the marketing person can really upload the file from the field and the back office starts their operations right here. So the turnaround time for the application lodging has reduced by at least, I can say, 72 hours. But through the mobile app, we really communicate to them on real-time basis that this is the thing, this is the application, you have to give the legal and valuation of it. And his turnaround time starts from that time. So overall, if you see, we are saving at least 50% of our time with the mobile app. The collection of person is also helped because the location when the application has been launched, taken up, the location has been saved. So if the recovery person does not find the location where I have to go, he can just tap on it and can find the location where I have to go and who is the person who has taken the loan from us. But seeing to this software, I have seen many softwares before really selecting FinnOne Neo. But the players, big players using this and the development time they have really put in to make the features which are really workable is really a phenomenon. So FinnOne, yeah, it has helped us a lot. Now we can really think of growing the company by into multiple of X. Initially it was percentage, that we can grow the 20% growth, we can think of a 50% growth. But now we can multiply with X with this particular software because it is so rigid and so comfortable working with this particular software. And the flow of data is so fast, it's really good. I never imagined before really using this software that this can give us such a good benefit for the company for the growth of it. The apps, it gives you a solution from end-to-end solution, you can see, right from sourcing of the customer till the NOC of the customer when the loan is completed. It gives you the entire solution. You don't have to look into another software for the loaning process or the advanced process of this. When I approached Nucleus, a big name in the country, And then when I negotiated with them and really came to a conclusion that even a small house like us can afford to have such a big solutions. And it was really wonderful with the management that they really cooperated with me and they really had given the solutions which big houses are using.